Hello friends, welcome to this YouTube channel. Its name is Desktop Support Technician, Windows and Mac. If thumbnails of images and videos are not showing in your computer, only the icon is visible to you. So this video is for you, follow it. Here I am going to tell you 100% working trick. Let's start the video. First of all, let me show you that the images I have are correct. Images are opening but preview is not showing. To fix this problem, first of all you have to right-click on the This PC icon. Now select Properties option from here. Click on Advanced System Settings. Now click on the Settings button of the Performance option. From here you have to select the first option, which is saying that lets Windows choose what's best for my computer. Click on Apply. Now see the magic. It's working. Images and videos are showing thumbnails. Click OK and close everything. Problem solved. Now you can use your computer. If you like this video, then like and share this video. Also, if you have any suggestion or problem, then tell us by commenting or by emailing us. We will reply you 100%. We are expert tech support providers. You can get your problems fixed by mailing us. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to subscribe.